Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to check the saved passwords in Google Chrome. So if you saved your passwords on Google Chrome, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to check saved password in Google Chrome, all you just need to do first is go ahead and open the Google Chrome application. Click on the three dots at the top right. Go ahead and select settings. Once you selected settings, scroll down, locate and click on Google Password Manager. Now hang on for the Google Password Manager. Here, you should see all saved website, username, and then password. Now, to see saved password on your Google Manager, all you need to do is click on the website whose password you want to see. Confirm your PIN, pattern, or fingerprint. Now, to see the saved password, just click on the I button to review the password. You can also click on the copy button to copy the password to clipboard. At the same time, you can choose to delete the password. So that's one of the ways you can use to check all the saved password you have on your Google Chrome. Alternatively, if you want to check saved passwords on Chrome using your phone settings, all you need to do is go to your Android phone settings. On the settings, scroll down, locate and click on Google. Once you selected Google, under Google Services, click on the email name, and under the email address you have whose password is saved on, click on Google account. Now, once you selected Google account, just hang on for the Google account to open on your browser, and then scroll through here, click on security. Under security, you want to scroll down until you get to passwords. So you should see your saved passwords here under saved password manager. So click on password manager, then you should have access to all the passwords you saved on your Google Chrome. You can come here, search for the password, or just locate the address whose password you want to find and then click on it. Confirm your PIN, pattern, or fingerprint, and then click on the I button to review the password. You can also copy the password and paste it anywhere you like. So that is basically how to check the saved password in Google Chrome. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.